Alright foodies, so the pasta is cooking, so now let's work on the veg. We're using some olive oil. Let's add our shrimp. Let's add some garlic. We're adding some peppers and onions. Alright foodies, let's add some all-purpose seasoning. We're adding a tablespoon of jerk seasoning, and that's a Jamaican jerk seasoning. And for this recipe, we're not using any dairy products, so we're going to be using some coconut cream. Let's add the pork chop. Alright foodies, we're going to let this simmer for about 4 minutes. We're going to add the pasta. Let's add some butter. Once this is melted, we're going to share it. Okay foodies, so this is what the finished product looks like. Dairy-free Rasta pasta. If you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe to the channel or consider subscribing to the channel. At this stage, we're going to be adding in some Parmesan cheese, and this is optional, of course. On the cake, I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef.